Yo, YouTube army, YouTube anonymous. Dang, man, second day of spring. Second day of spring. Spring has sprung. Spring has sprung. I'm a mess. I'm a hot mess. Come on, get in there, get in there. Everything's messing up. Trying to get on Instagram, trying to use a phone. Hold on. First day of spring. Crazy, man. Do you even see it yet? Come on! I'm gonna lose the anonymous mask. I can't even fit it in the... Someone rolling up on me. I'm gonna lose the anonymous mask. Alright, you gotta hold on one sec. Dang it, man. I'm a mess over here. Everyone get on Instagram. Get on Instagram. Get on Instagram. I hate phones. Get on frickin' Instagram. Then the frickin' thing's editing. The screen won't stop shutting off. How do you get that screen to stop shutting down? So first day of spring, everybody. First day of dang spring. And Yankees Outdoor Adventure. Matt Cook, Oregon. You'll be proud of me. I'm out the house, man. I'm out the house. And the phone and the Instagram, like I said, I hate phones. I'm not going to use it to be social. This is to YouTube Army Wolfpack. That's the Instagram hashtag. We're taking over a small YouTuber community on Instagram. So I'll be able to work away from the computer. Hallelujah. The hood fall off. Dang, hood fell off too? That's not my style. It's not my style. Cramping up my style. And also, dang it, Bobby. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Dang it, dang it. Also, today, the 21st of March, marks 6 months of brutal heartbreak. So, I feel like the weather symbolizes how my heart feels right now. Snowing in my heart. It's cold and black. Like Blackbeard pirate when the ocean is freezing over and the pirates are about to die because the boat, the ship, can't move. They're about to die. That's my heart. So I wanted to just show you a quick vid of second day of spring. Long Island, New York. YouTube Army, New York. Alright, and Mikey boy rode Down Bipolar, so I said, dang it, Bobby. You got a shout out. Take your time, brother. Get back to the YouTube. Happy birthday, bro. You thought I was gonna forget you. I waited till the end. Happy bipolar-lated birthday. Over and out. Ciao. What it always is.